Hello students, hello viewers, welcome to this video. And in this video, we are going to look at the pronunciation of a new word. And the word for today is, the spelling of the word is Characterize. I repeat, Characterize. And this word divides itself into 4 syllables. There are 4 syllables in this word. And they are syllable 1, care, syllable 2, ek, syllable 3, ter, and syllable 4, eyes. Let me repeat. Syllable 1 is care, syllable 2 is ek, syllable 3 is ter, and syllable 4 is eyes. Characterize. Characterize. So this is the syllable. These are the 4 syllables. Now, even before going to before listening to the pronunciation of the word, just guess which could be the the stress syllable. Now, you may be tempted to say eyes. Okay, the 4th syllable eyes, because it has got a diphthong. But don't forget, any 4 syllable word, any word which has more than 3 syllables, the 4th syllable, the last syllable, is not stressed. So you're left with 3 candidates: care, ek, and ter. Okay, you can make a guess. Keep guessing. You can pause the video, make a guess. But then when you listen to the pronunciation, you'll know which is the stress syllable. Now, even with 3 syllables, you have the possibility of a primary and a secondary stress syllable. I'm showing it like this because the 3rd syllable will be primary, the 1st syllable will be secondary. Okay, but let's wait. Okay, listen to the pronunciation. Okay, and then you can pause the video if you want. Try it out. Try your guess which will be the correct. How many stress syllables could be there in this word, and then okay. So if you have done this exercise, if you're through with the exercise, please listen to the pronunciation. The pronunciation goes like this: characterize. 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 Now, if you notice, there is only one stress syllable in this word, the 1st syllable, care. Ek and ter are not stressed. Okay, and we will see why. Because you could have, people would have said, now that we've looked at so many words, there will be a tendency to say, look, ter is actually a good candidate. Okay, because it has got CVC. So, but let's look at the word. Let me share screen with you the word. So this is the word for today: characterize. And there is only one stress syllable, one primary stress. Okay, sorry, there's just one stress, which is the primary stress syllable. I keep on saying this one stress syllable, and that's a primary syllable and all that. So if there is one stress syllable in a word, that is the primary stress syllable. Okay, end of the story. So so characterize, and we look at only when you look at the transcription, when you look at the transcribed form of the word, you understand why. Okay, the 3rd syllable does not take. Actually, I'm not supposed to write it like this. This is a very weak schwa. It's not just schwa is not just weak. Schwa is written almost negligibly. I'm not able to get the font for that. Otherwise, I would have shown it to you. I'll just do it from the next word in the coming words. Okay, so it is characterize. 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 And not characterize. And not characterize. I'm in this pronunciation, I'm giving you 2 stress syllables. I'm pronouncing it with 2 stress syllables: care and ter. Okay, characterize. No, that's not the correct thing. It's characterize. 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 The trick is you stress only care and don't worry about or don't care about the other 3 syllables. Characterize. Characterize. Let me give you one more clue. You roughly give, for the stress syllable, in such cases, for the stress syllable, the time that you give for the stress syllable should be equal to the time that you give for the unstressed syllables. So, characterize. Characterize. You don't give it much time at all. The less time you give, the less prominence you are giving to the unstressed syllable. So let us come back to the word. Let me share screen again with you. It's characterize. And as I told you, you've seen this again and again. The number of unstressed syllables can be up to 3. Okay, so now you may ask which will be the next stress syllable after this. I can show this to you only when we discuss utterance level, utterance level stress. So I can't show it to you here. For example, I can give you a rough example. If there is a word that comes after characterize, there the first syllable will have to be stressed. Okay, so it could be any word. I'm not able to make any off the cuff sentences, but when we discuss that, I'll prepare the sentences and then I'll bring it to you, and then we'll see how utterance level stress utterance level stress function. By utterance level, we mean how does a spoken sentence function. So even in a spoken sentence, you will see there'll be one stressed event, one stressed syllable, followed by at the most three stress syllables and then three unstressed syllables, and then you will have to have a stress syllable. You will stress the next syllable. Okay, there are some practical considerations in that. We'll talk about that when we come to the utterance level stress. Okay, so people, students and viewers, this is the word for today. Characterize, and the stresses on the first syllable, that is the primary stress syllable. The other three syllables are unstressed. Just before leaving, I just wanted to show you. I've told you this rule that, we've discussed this rule that, that if there is a diphthong, then it will automatically get stressed. I told you even while introducing the word to you that don't be, see, when you have four syllables, let me stop share. You have four syllables. The fourth syllable is eyes. It contains a diphthong. No one contests that. But this, in spite of being a strong syllable, will not be stressed. Actually, it does not come under the stress system at all. So the moment a word crosses three syllables, so you have four syllables here, the fourth syllable automatically will not be considered for any for under the stress system of English. Okay, to be more precise, under the lexical stress system of English. So when you are pronouncing a word, if it is more than three syllables, the fourth syllable automatically will not be stressed, will not come into consideration at all. So this word, the word for today is characterize. Characterize. And so please keep, and so this is a surprising word. So yeah, so I wanted to share this with you. And the other three unstressed, the other three syllables are unstressed. Please keep practicing such words so that you get used to the English pronunciation. And so thanks a lot for keeping the views. Viewing all the videos. Please make a note of all the words that we've discussed till now, so that there are no repetitions. I see to it that there are no repetitions. Please keep these views coming in so that it encourages me to make more videos. So see you in the next video and keep practicing. Goodbye.